No, I'm just make what's that? Don't make your face.
And just make hard. Why don't I make
Put down yung cellphone mo, iPad mo.
Why don't I make my hair?
Kasi nga, it's not for the children.
It's video.
Yeah, it's not video. Okay. Yeah, that's it. That's your breakfast. Say thank you for the breakfast.
It's hot.
Mm-mm.
It's hot. I'm gonna wait to be cold.
Sorry, kasi. While you are eating.
You mix like this. Make
Yeah.
it like this. Like squares.
It's really the finish. It's finished already. Yeah, so we hit. No more diet. Eat as we can. Okay? Here, no more diet.
I want to be cold.
It's very hot. It's very hot.
Yes.
Okay. So it's spice naman.
Guess what they're doing? I thought you were making live.
Just make it video. This one is my chai.
Chai or coffee?
No chai. Later, let me coffee. What time is it? It's already 11?
No, 12.
12 o'clock is our breakfast. Because Coco is just asleep. When I finish it, it's cleaning again. My favorite peanut and the strawberry jam. That's what we have. That's what I have. That's what's that in my breakfast. Sa ini. Sometimes scramble it. Sometimes boiled egg. Boiled egg. I need to finish all before the new one. There's a little bit paharang if I try. So me and Sisi, we eat together for breakfast. Because I'm really hungry. Kasi it's already 12. In the Philippines, that is already lunchtime.
In the Philippines is lunch?
Almost.